Okay, so we're clamming.
Oystering.
Oh, I mean oystering.
With my Paula Deen knife. Thanks, Paula.
We're being very careful because there's a mother and a baby bear along this ridge that has been sighted. So
I just have to be able to run faster than Dina because she has the boat.
I'm in the boat, man. I'm just taking off if I see one.
I have a complete disadvantage right now.
I'm out of here.
This is really kind of cool, peeling these dudes off
the rock.
I mean, that is some serious meat.
Yeah.
Right?
I don't think you'll be swallowing that thing whole. The sun's actually poked out for the first time since we've been up here.
It's really much more manageable weather. These things could be really good. We'll have to ask them if they're good.